This is Novo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Chase Galaxy 0. My brother, kunjani?
Shabu kunjani?
Bra Obza.
Yes, I'm Bra Obza for DK branch.
Echara.
But mina namhlanje bafethu anako okuningi ngoba mina nje kuphela benzo support abangani bami namhlanje. Bakwazi amakhosi for life. Bakwazi ukhoqela phezulu njengenyoni nabo yabona yini? Ngoba yazini kubhlungu ukuthi i-team enkulu ne. Yazini yi-struggle isogola yabona yini? Ihluleka ukungena ka top 8. Manje namhla kumnandi ngoba yabona yini mayiwinile ne. Bane 52 points. So siyakwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi at least yabona yini? Asambeni ngoba man yazini yasho Kaizer Chiefs yithi sandawane ngoba nizolaba bamnyama ngenkani bakhuluma too much manje Chiefs yasho yathi bafethu sandawane ngiyacela bamba le cup ngizobuya ngesikhathi sami ngizanzoyilanda bamba kanjalo ungayiyeke manje laba abamnyama ngenkani ngasho ukuthi nje batholanya amagolo nyana laba baphiwayo bathi bona bothatha ileague kanti basikhohlisa ngeke bakubona lokho thina masho ke sesikhathele ngale league siya kuphi siyonika amakhosi sithi bakhosi no bafethu zizwiseni nawe njengamadoda khona manje so into ngicelayo makhosi nonke andisithathasiseni bafethu siwina eAfrika ka CAF champion yabona into nje ngicelayo yabona so nawe mfethu bafethu danke bafethu ngiyabonga
Danke Bra Obza.
kushaka mayithumbu mfethu shasha
Siyabonga Khosi for life.
Yeah.
Besilana kuzonisupporta. Yeah, because na supporta masidlala elikini. So siyabangana. Ngeke singajikelana next season. Yeah, number 2 yenu ningasabe. Number 2 noyithatha laba sibakhathele lapho.
Number 1.
Laba sibayowa lapho. Khosi for life number 2 sihamba nani ka Champions League.
Thank you so much.
Namhlanje sisupporteni namhlanje la Champions League na experience.
Yeah.
Noma singathola 1 goal only.
Nisharp, yeah.
Masibuya la sesirayisa baqedelele.
Thank you.